How's it going, every collectors out there? Today I'm gonna review this mafex eradicator from Return of Superman. Yeah, I think this figure looks great for me because I figured out that Cyborg Superman is the villain, and I think this one looks great. So let's start with the packaging. There's the window you saw. The side is standing there in the name. The back just shows the pictures and the poses, like the promo pictures. And the pictures right there in the name, Superman. The window that shows the accessories and the head, more accessories. Let's get into it. Yeah, I got this for a Big Red Toy Store. It's still unstocked. Let's hold up. Yeah, the fabric cape feels amazing. Like it feels like I'm literally touching a real Superman's cape. Awesome. And yeah, you see a logo on the back. He came with 5 changeable hands. So that's actually 1 karate chop hands for the flying, I guess. Clenching hands, spread out hands, relaxed hands, and another straight hands. In one of those, like, I think like blasters, I think, from his hands. Comment down below if you know. Yeah, this comic book right here. Yeah, I'm sorry to read it. It's good actually. Let's check out its articulation. Yeah, let's check it out. Okay. You brought up. I'll just. Yep. 360 around, rotating arms, like usual. Ignore the background, please. Yeah, the cape stuff is sick. I'll probably put like top 10 favorite figures of 2026. Probably. Yeah. I mean, you gotta look up. Yeah, you gotta look up. You gotta. Yeah. That's just all articulation. I rate this 9.5 out of 10. I mean, come on. It doesn't come with laser eyes and stuff, but I know the comic, like DC made him this way. I mean, I'm not complaining though. I'm not complaining. Like, okay, maybe like 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I mean, look at his paint job. The abs, the chest, the biceps, the back. So yeah, like and subscribe. Comment down below. Share your friends. Bye.